Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Iqbal Bias Nizam. Metric number 271081. Okay. Now I will tell you a little bit about the nature. Nature encompasses all living things and non-living things that are naturally present on Earth. It is present since it is an environment without human activities. So, to see the beauty of nature, I thought to visit Tasik Melati. Tasik Melati is located in northern Kangat Perlis. It is small, but Tasik Melati is a beautiful lake in Perlis because Perlis is a small state but have a natural place to visit. Okay. The distance from the capital of Kangat to the parks is maybe in 10 kilometers, and visitors are welcome at any time. Any times? I don't think so, because in the nights the Tasik Melati is very dark, so you cannot go at the nights. So you can go at the when you want to go, you can go at the times maybe in 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, so what do you waiting for? Let's go. Wait. What is Achama idea of nature? And where Achama want to going? Let's ask him.
Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Achamar bin Hamzah 269773. Today, I will explain to you all guys about the nature. Nature and nature. What do you think about the nature? Nature is all the animal, plant, and so on in this world, or the further force and the processes that happen or exist independently of people, such as water, sea, mountain, and so on. Okay, I will bring you all to explore the Gua Kelam in Perlis. That I search in the internet. The Gua Kelam is very famous place and a very beautiful nature in the Perlis. So I was prepare myself to explore more about the Gua Kelam. I think the Gua Kelam is the best place to see the beautiful nature. Okay guys, let's go.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Iqbal Bias Nizam. Metric number 271081. So behind me you can see the history of Tasik Melati or Melati Lakes. So in original form, Tasik Melati is a wetland with plant locally known as kerchis. So the wetland is developed by Jabatan Pengairan dan Saliran in 1977. In 2001, the Perlis state government officially hand over the link to GPS, develop the infrastructure, maintenance and service of the lakes. So now this area as a recreational area of all type of tourism. We in the food reflexology. So food reflexology normally we do 15 to 20 minutes per day. So when you do 15 to 20 minutes, you can promote the blood pressure for the good health. Okay, behind me you can see the bridge. So the distance of the bridge is 1.2 km. The bridge is construct by Jabatan Saliran dan Pengairan. So the place is also can use for the fishing tournament. So if you luck, you can get a big fish. You know big fish? Oh, so for Muslim, we also provide the surau for praying anytime you want. For non-Muslim, you can also use the surau for the changing your clothes after you doing the exercising. Okay, in the beside of the surau, the Tasik Melati also provide the Chinese bridge. Chinese bridge has maybe 100 meters. Okay. This place is good for families activities. This is because this place is more space and suitable for the family doing the activities like family days, picnic. So also can see the viewing Tasik Melati. In Tasik Melati, we also have a food store. Behind me, you can see the many food store at there. So if you're hungry, you can buy some food or drinks like cendol, laksa. Actually, you can buy lunch food. In Tasik Melati also have a playground. So you can bring your children to play or feel your free times. Okay, now I will show you about the fitness equipment. Okay, behind me you can see the Tasik Melati Tower. So I can show you the highest level can see the viewing in Tasik Melati. Next. Okay, now we in the height level of the tower in Tasik Melati. So you can see the track for the jogging, and also you can see the lake behind me. So at the highest floor, you also can see the nature view in Tasik Melati. This is the parking lot for the motorcycle when you come to the Tasik Melati. The Tasik Melati also you don't have to pay any fee to come in Tasik Melati. So now I will explain about the Tasik behind there. Around the Tasik also have a main track for the jogging activities. So in the Tasik also you can do activities like playing remote control boats, and the tong 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 is the checkpoint. You can playing the remote control boat.
I'm in the Gua Kelam. Okay. In the history of Gua Kelam, according to history Encik Nayan, who originated from Kampung Kecil, Mukim Selang, Perlis, also known as Tauke Nayan, and his wife Puan Aminah from Wang Kelian start mining at Sungai Pelarit, which is near Gua Kelam. The Gua Kelam Recreational Park is popular for its enchanting cave work, where you can enter to the cave and come out from a different location. Now, this is the beginning of to enter the Gua Kelam. So, come here. It's very beautiful. Huh? You see the nature, how beautiful it is. Okay, now I'm excited for enter the Gua Kelam. I'm very excited now. I feel like I don't know why to express my expression right now, but I'm very excited to see the beautiful of nature of Gua Kelam. Okay, jom. Okay, I'm here. I want to share for all. You can feel like very cool in this cave. I feel like I'm in the cool place. I think we in the middle in the Gua Kelam. So now I will bring you to see this. There's a river in the cave, so we can see how the river goes. It's very cool, right? This is the why the cave is very cool, because there's a river in the bottom. Okay, see how. Okay, right now I want to say for you. I want to tell you the nature of the Gua Kelam. It is very like very original nature. It means very beautiful. If we go inside this, we can see the mines around. You see this? In the rock is very beautiful. I don't know how they can be like this. I think it's take 1,000 years for be like this. Very beautiful. Okay, this is the impressive thing I found the Gua Kelam. I think it's because of the water come from the top and be like this. This is called a stereotype, which means it's very beautiful. You see that? Have a bling in the rock. The stereotype is very beautiful. I love this. It can make me release my tension atau release my stress from studying. So, what you at? Come here, Gua Kelam. Okay, for today I think we will finish. You see that in the different location. If you know, if you remember what I say for the beginning, you can go to the different location. Come. So we are in the finishing of the Gua Kelam. So we can see that the Gua Kelam, cave of the darkness. It means it's very darkness inside of that. And another that we use for the bridge, the wood bridge for into the cave. If you want to know, we go inside the Gua Kelam, we use this bridge, the wood bridge. The length for the bridge from the beginning in the finish is 340 meters. So it's very, what it means, it's very long for us to come. We can enjoy every moment the nature of the Gua Kelam. Hi! Now we are in the outside of the Gua Kelam. So you can see the view of Gua Kelam right there. It's very beautiful. You can see the Lubang Landuk, the Landak Raya Malayan Volcano in the very beautiful of nature. You can smell, it's very wow. The oxygen is very fresh, refreshing my mind, you know. Okay, now we are here in the top of the Gua Kelam, which means we can go up here. We use the stay and we can see the nature of the lake. You see it? Very beautiful. It means it can uh, refreshing your mind, and also you can see the you can know about the tree. You can know about the flower. Some flower there. You can know. Very beautiful. So like a Tarzan right now. Wow, very. You can know about the nature. You can know about the nature. And nature. Okay, I want to tell you about this place. It's a very complete place. The nature is very complete. We have the secret garden. This is the Gua Kelam. You have the pond. You have the deer farm. And the fertility also very complete here. They have a toilet. They have, which means they have the place we can rest. And the trail is very interesting for we go for hiking or something. We can picnic with our family. Well done. You have completed 465 steps. Okay, this area is the hidden trail in the Gua Kelam, which means you can enter for the beginning and you can end of for this area. Now I want to tell you some fact, which means I believe the human in the past, the history, live in the cave. Why? Because it's very cool. If a wine, it's very cool place, in a very safe place, and they have a water in the cave. So I believe the human in the 1938 years past ago live in the cave.
I'm a little bit tired after walking and jogging around Tasik Melati. From this relatively short adventure, I found Tasik Melati is a beautiful natural beauty. Tasik Melati can release your mind as well as can enjoy the activities such as fishing, picnic with family, and also jogging. So, Tasik Melati is the lake's environment filled with the greenery and ecosystem in the lakes capture the presence of tourism. What about Achama? I think he got tired after visiting the Gua Kelam. Let's see him.
Oh guys, I'm so tired after exploring the Gua Kelam. So, this is the conclusion, and I will tell you all about my experience exploring Gua Kelam. First of all, I will tell you guys about my first impression about Gua Kelam. Yeah, my first impression is I think Gua Kelam is too hot. But suddenly, when I came to the Gua Kelam and go inside the Gua Kelam, I so impressed because the temperature inside the Gua Kelam is too cool. Like you go to the room with the aircon. Beside that, you can see the beautiful rock around the cave with the limestone is so beautiful. Another that you can hear the sound of water inside the Gua Kelam. It's very calm, yo. It's very distressful. This is the place that can release your stress. I believe that at that time my stress was gone. I can release my stress to see the nature of Gua Kelam. Beside that, you can go to another place outside the Gua Kelam, such as the river, the garden, flower garden, and you can go to hiking. Yeah, that is the amazing place in the Gua Kelam. Another that the facilities in the Gua Kelam is very complete. You can get the toilet. They have a surau to Muslim go to pray. So overall, I can conclude that the nature in the Gua Kelam about 4.5. That is my rate. It's so beautiful. So if you guys have a problem about stress, go to the Gua Kelam. Let's try the beautiful of nature in Gua Kelam. Thank you.